A very good morning to all of you. Today we have to start our new chapter and the name of our chapter is Basic Geometrical Concepts. In this chapter there are many concepts, so we have to do one by one. Today we have to do the concept of plane surface. Now firstly we have to know what is plane surface. Now see, plane surface is actually a flat surface. Firstly, let us come to know this thing. Any object that is in front of you. Let us suppose that mobile phone is must be in front of you, है ना? So this is a one mobile phone. When you people can touch this mobile phone like this way, your hand moves smoothly, means that is a flat surface, means that is a plane surface. This mobile phone having plane surface. Now see, this sheet, when I am touching this sheet, my hands move smoothly. So that means this is also a flat surface, means this surface is also a plane surface. Now see, this box is there in front of me. I kept this box like this way. Let us suppose. When I touch this box, my hand moves like this way. My hand moves like this way. Get it? My hand moves like this way. So that means that is a curved surface. When my hand moves like this way, means like this way my hands move. So that means this is a curved surface, or we can say that this is not a plane surface. Get it? Now see, these two balls are there in front of me. Now see, I am touching these two balls also. I am touching with my finger because these two balls are very small. So let's see. When I am touching these balls, so my hand moves like this way. Get it? So that means the surface of balls is also a curved surface. When my hand moves like this way, then that is a curved surface. When my hand moves smoothly on the paper or on the sheet or on anything which is a plane object, so that means that is a plane surface. Now see, in your book several questions are written. In first question, the question is which of the following object is plane? Which of the following is an example of a plane surface? And the first question is a lid of cylindrical box. Now see it here. This is a cylindrical box actually. Lid of cylindrical box. I have taken the lid of this cylindrical box. I will show you. This is the lid of this cylindrical box. Now touch this lid. When I am touching this lid, my hand moves smoothly over there. Get it? Means no up and downs are there. So that means this is a plane surface. Next is the surface of tennis ball. I don't have tennis ball, but these balls are there. We firstly touched also these balls. When I am touching these balls, my hand moves like this way. So that means that is a curved surface. Next is the top of the table. Now see, this is also a study table where this sheet is kept. So when I am touching this study table, my hand moves like this way. So that means that is also a plane surface. Next is the surface of marble. Marble is also similar like this way, similar to the balls also. When we people are touching this ball, then my hand moves like this way, so that means that is also a curved surface. Next question is write the names of the given planes. Some planes are drawn in your book. Let us say this is a plane. This is also a plane. Means any surface. Let us say this is a mobile phone. I drawn the boundary of this mobile phone. Actually, that is also a surface, that drawn actually very light, so that is not visible. Get it? So this is the boundary of the mobile phone. If I given the name of this LMNO, so what is this called? This is called plane LMNO. means any figure, anything drawn here. Here M is written, here N is written, here O is written. So that means what is this? This is a plane. Plane M-N-O. Anything you can write N-O-M, that is completely your choice. But firstly you have to write plane also. Then anybody come to know that this picture is of plane. This word is actually necessary here to represent that this is a plane. I hope you understood now. Now the third concept is here. One picture drawn in your book is like this way also. This is a parallelogram. Let us say here A, B, C, D is given 4 points. So they have asked from us write the name of this plane. So the name of this plane is plane A, B, C, D. I hope you follow it. Now first thing we have done, examples of plane surface, we have given many examples. Name of plane we have now done. Third is collinear points. So what are collinear points? See, any 3 or more than 3 points. Means in this concept we are talking about either 3 points or more than 3 points. Let us say I have drawn here 3 points. If the 3 points, if these 3 points these 3 points will make a single line, then these points are collinear point. Get it? If a straight line pass through these 3 points, then these 3 points are known as collinear points. Now let us suppose 2 points are there and 1 point is there. So if I want to draw a line, straight line will drawn like this way. Now this point is left as it is. So that means these 3 points are not collinear points. I repeat, if any 3 points, a straight line can able to pass from these 3 points. So that means these 3 points are collinear points. If a single line can't able to pass, now if I draw a straight line drawn like this way, but this point left as it is, so that means these 3 points are not collinear points. So collinear points are those points if I draw a straight line from 3 or more than 3 points. If I can able to draw a straight line from 3 or more than 3 points, then those 3 points are known as collinear points. Now let us suppose one more examples we have to do. Now see, these 3 points I have drawn straight forward. So it is possible not to draw a straight line from these 3 points. Now see, 2 points I have drawn like this way and 1 point somehow downside I have drawn. So if I draw a straight line like this way, then this point left as it is. It is also possible that I draw this line like this way, then this point left as it is. So that means these points are not collinear points. I repeat the definition, any 3 points or more than 3 points, means in collinear points we have to talk about either 3 points or more than 3 points. If that 3 points can able to pass from a single straight line, then that points are collinear points. I hope you understood now.